Karbi Student Association Bakalia unit holds rally in demand of justice for Sumila Ronghangpe's family. Good morning to all the viewers and welcome to Karbi Live. You're watching Karbi Live Morning News with your host Julie Baby. And now the news in detail. The Karbi Students Association Bakalia branch on Friday organized a peaceful rally in continuation of their demand for justice towards the family of Sumila Ronghangpe, whose charred body was found at the house where was employed in Raha on April 22nd. The rally began from Denkimo ground near Center Market and was culminated at Bakalia police station. Due to COVID situation, the numbers of participants were lesser than what the organizer would have really wanted. During the rally, the students' organization chanted their demand for swift justice to the victim's family, regardless of the pandemic situation across the state. Further, the students' body asserted their other demands, including establishing a school in her name, statue, job to a member of their family, and a compensation of rupees 20 lakhs towards the family. In addition to this, the students' body have questioned the government for the delay in delivering justice to the family, stating that delay in delivering justice would lead to further rise of crimes against women and minors. The students' body pointed out that criminals should not be given any chance to commit more crimes and fear must be put into their minds by swift delivery of exemplary punishment for their acts. Later, the students' body submitted a memorandum addressed to the Nagaon Deputy Commissioner through the Uttar Borbel Police Outpost officer in charge.
Charlie Assam Bukla District Committee Pen ini Uttar Borbel Police Outpost long itu memorandum lah Charlie Officer Deputy Commissioner of Nagaon District Charlie by Officer in charge in Uttar Borbel Police Borbel Outpost kan lorong itu ini tuh injil kita sembilan.
Dirjana Rongpi's report from Phuloni, Karbi Live. After the government's permission to vaccinate citizens from age 18 and above, vaccination is full swing in various vaccination centers across Assam. Huge numbers of people are turning up to vaccinate themselves. The COVID-19 vaccination drive for the age group of 18 to 44 has been started all over Assam. People from the Dimoria region, especially those of the 18-plus age group, can be seen standing in queue at Jagi Road Mahatma Gandhi Model Hospital to take their first dose of Covaxin. The government of Assam is providing all vaccines to the citizen free of cost, which is a great initiative at these troubled times. Deputy Superintendent of Jagi Road Mahatma Gandhi Model Hospital, Dr. Dharmeswar Ronghang, stated that more than 100 doses of Covaxin are arriving every day in the hospital in order to meet the daily increasing numbers of people coming for vaccination. People who are of 45 or above years of age can get their vaccination by directly approaching the vaccination centers. However, those below 45 years of age had to register their names in the COVID app launched by the government. After successful registration, they will be provided particular date and venue to get the vaccination. On the other hand, in Karbi Anglong, many people are still feeling unsure to take the jab and feeling apprehensive about the side effects that may occur after taking the vaccine, and hence very few young people have turned up vaccination. Meanwhile, government officials have already stated that there is almost 0% of side effect from the vaccines and that taking vaccination is totally safe. As such, it is a duty of the youth to cooperate in the fight against COVID by vaccinating themselves and also encouraging others to do so at the earliest. Nituraj Ronghang's report from Sonapur for Karbi Live. In order to provide the most needed guide to the students doing 6 months Karbi language course from Assam University Difu campus AUTC, a book of Karbi word meaning and translation titled Lamjor Lapen Lamlar was released on Friday. The book has been written by senior Karbi writer Sarklim Taro, who is also an instructor in the course. The official book release ceremony was held at the office of the Karbi Cultural Society in Taralangso. It was formally released by KCS President Chandra Singh Kro in the presence of Samprikimi newspaper chief editor Kiri Ronghang, KCS members Daniel Be, Khogen Ingti, Hingchong Tiso and others. While talking to the media persons, the writer Sarklim Teron stated that the book had been published by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Pradeep Rongpi. The book had been brought out with an aim to aid learners enrolled in the 6 months Karbi language course conducted by the AUTC. The book has been especially written based on the syllabus prescribed in the 103 paper of the learners, which deals with word meaning and translation from Karbi to English.
Ini labang so kitab, nili kitoka kitab, Karbi Cultural Society may pusi pangpulo babang laso kitab kapag pangamangke laki Pradeep Rongpi executive member Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Labang so kitab nili kitok bangke lasan lo dipu university campus along Jekloyon Trok Kacharli Angdeng do laso Jekloyon Trok Angdeng pan aprang pen series syllabus kipi do laso syllabus setting pen kitab lason are lasi laso syllabus ducot a kitab abe pulutang te Kacharli pan sungkung lasi 101 102 103 an subject thom hadak do lasi 103 bangke nili syllabus setting pen toksi ing pulo 103 laso kitab men ke lamjor la pen lamlar pasigipu ladake Karbi alam pen English alam ke tok nangji koson si arleng alam la pen English alam pen ke tok duning nangji ma la pen English alam pen arleng alam koson si ke lar nangji ma labang so puthaksi labang so kitab long tok baso kitab lo ason Karbi purki muta tihek pen English alam la pen Karbi alam ke tok kondo wan helu
bangso kitab komentu men si introduce pa
laso kitab long ke chuneng pen si chuneng isi pen lo arlo syllabus ke do bangke chuneng isi 2019 ani kan se syllabus ke pi la pen 2019 pen 20 an class do bom lo la pen non ta ako second batch atum non class do bom lo
sila non la second base ahot bangke la so akita bangke than longpo Charlie longpo
bangke
Bikram Cross report from Deephu, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for this morning. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.